on, folks? I'm about to show you how you will be programming a fob, a FOB fob for Honda vehicles. This process works the same for multiple different types of vehicles like the Honda Odyssey, Honda CR-V, I believe it is, Honda Accords, Honda Civics. It's pretty simple to do it. What you'll need to do basically is take your key, and if you look closely, first of all, you want to get in the vehicle, you want to close the door, and you can basically have the doors unlocked if you want to, or locked. Most time it really doesn't matter which way, but get in the vehicle, close the door. Then what you're going to want to do, if you look close at where you put your key ring at, you'll see it has like little lines on it. You'll have like 0, 1, 2, it looks like you'll have like maybe a 3 or 4 slashes up here. But all you have to do pretty much is you want to make sure your door is shut, take your key, put it in ignition. You want to turn it from 0 to 2. You'll hear that, and when you do that, press the lock button, turn it back to 0, wait a second, turn it back to 2 again, press the lock button on your fob, turn it back to 0, wait a couple seconds, turn it back to 2 again, press the lock button again, turn it back to 0, then go ahead and turn it again back to 2, press the lock button, and then turn it back off, press the lock button, and then your key fob should be programmed for you to be able to now control your locks with this key fob. I'm going to go ahead and try it now. Okay, you can see, you can hear it. I'll let you see it's going up and down now, which basically now says that this key fob is programmed to this Honda vehicle. And like I said, this is the same process that you would use for multiple different Honda vehicles to program the key. Basically, all you're going to be doing is turning it from the 0 position to the 2 position, hit lock or unlock, whichever one, turn it back to the 0 position, then turn it up to the 2 position, hit lock again, turn it back to the 0 position, back up to the 2 position, hit lock again, and then turn it back to the 0 position, back to the 2 position, hit lock again. And you want to make sure you're hitting lock when it's turned up to the 2 position pretty much. You want to make sure that you do that. If you can look on here and get a closer up, you can see the little slots that's on there. If you look at the ring that's around where you would put your key at, you'll see 0, 1, 2. You're going to be turning it right to there, from 0 to 2. You want to do that 4 times, pressing lock or unlock, whichever one, but make sure you press the same one. If you start off pressing unlock, make sure you still press unlock. If you start off pressing lock, then make sure you still press lock. And you should have your new fob programmed to your Honda vehicle. Like I said, this works on multiple different vehicles and multiple different years. Alright folks, once again, this is how you would program a new fob for your Honda vehicle. Please check out our other helpful videos and please subscribe. Thanks.